Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusafo ora Ibrahim Mahama aye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nua e de ensembia betudwa na o kire se ne mining companies ni bia owo no His Excellency the former president na Adon Akufo-Addo e na obua no e na onya ntin wa ba a bonaba so na all my speech e na ode ebefem yinti nyesansombra.
Mind to me. Point of correction. I didn't just spring up to say I want to own the mine. Goldfield said in 2022, we're going to close the mine and we want you to take over, but we'll sell it to you. And I said, you can't sell it to me because you've cheated me all these years. So you have to give it to me. So we agreed. They told me to go to government and get a no objection letter. I went in there. And I must thank our former president, Nanado. He gave me a document to sit with Goldfields and negotiate and keep the mine going. When I did that, unfortunately for me or for EMP, I got called by the CEO of Goldfields and said, look, we have a challenge here working here. How are you going to do it? I said, oh, leave that to me.
Ebusafo ensem we na obekan na ode ensem we atudwa no na ne reply aba na omo ekire se onfronko eyenfro na odi no tactics na o play na nado bia enye bibia ma no onno nim nyenti a wokasa me de ensem a omo kan ye ekire se ura Ibrahim Mahama play tactics no ebebe na ansa na no pese me ka bibi kakra bi se uyo bia oye critical thinker ubehu se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ne nua Ibrahim Mahama omo yo bia omo tumi steady nipa everyday nipa dream the agro papa sana say yetete say almost His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba na so Ghana for keka say ne nua be president wakoto private jet wakoto mining company just a mining company say we Ghana bebre ne dia enda na wakofa cars omo di to galamsey just ensem bebre ntino or twetwe no de nanado abem na chese ye hu say nanado cry support no say oye o mine wo Ghana hanom ntinya de bibi biasa. Now you see I am not surprised because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama I Ghana food to me eji twi ekoto abama no 2024 no eya me cry ya na chese se bibi ya wo cry ya o na utumi fasu wa ka mi gidi se menti ase. How come say Ghana for mutimi hwanyame ni mekoto aba e ma John Dramani Mahama? I mean how ye hwe ne ma ayekoso eya tan kra eya tan sanso ya botisem Ghana for ye kan na mo ante yenti reply a omode ama ura Ibrahim Mahama
abakwa kudi ye wo mu a asebo kan o kan ni say wo da sira kese e ma former president na adodanko Akufo-Addo na Akufo-Addo e ne ma ne kwan say wone da manfo enkodi nkomo na wonye mines no baba the person e chewe say sa ase no twa antro e ye do krese that time no wo approach Goldfields for say bo pese motor da mine and na Ghana mra ne kire say mining act ne kire say ansa na bibi sa beba no age sa mo tro krata de koma Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources emo no mammo letter of no objection say munkodi nkombo mudi ko ni wie ne se sia na yetima ye bibia kama na condition ho say within 1 year ye de krata ne mawo na 1 year so na muntimi negotiate ya adena expire letter no 1 year letter no expire last year March at that time no na mo negotiations no I break it down. In fact Goldfields for nan kasa chwo krata koma President Mahama ebe be president di say omo pese omo 30 years no eso a ya eso last year April no a yensa memomo anya adwuma e o mines no omo sa e operating mines no me ba letter no omo ko na Akufo-Addo President Mahama ka che omo say won pene mo munya biem because what the Ghana ni ya na ye wuni nua wo Ibrahim Mahama company ven EMP etina Akufo-Addo abasobo ni aseda wo de man we say wo asifu say wo de man company one de man no enya no kore men fact that
the politics of equalization
the politics of convenience
and crofo can say and this ninu na the mines na ma no enti ma me meka say Kufuor na bo ama me nya na me dey equal say but you see na Kufuor office and na mu tie me a honorable Fatim you should come out with a statement to clarify this issue na Kufuor office I am urging you honorable Fatim any need econom please come out with a statement na mo clarify this issue again. I am calling on honorable Abujinapo our year minister, the then minister for lands and natural resources, said Abujinapo must also come out with a statement to clarify the issue. Go on, so that Ghana for Jumbe ebe yobo fine. And Brand say, "Wo pa fakrata eko." And to ye Ghana ni na ubia na mampani say, "Okay, wo so person ko negotiation dia." Ya ma kwan ko negotiation. And no nkyere say Kufuor the mines na den e dia ma. And sanya sa na kyere. Enti no oye propaganda. Person or say I must mean na dia mama and dia mama na Kufuor address to paint the picture say Kufuor na the mama. That's all he wanted to do.
Obufi so many ate. When ate amani things in Ghana for nyina.
Enti dia wono wo ye no. But ya dey person che we amfa wada. E ye ntro wo boa.
Wan kan kure.
Akofisam na wudi wo pese wo de dada Ghana for ka say oh na say anya wunua no eti kwaku do wo ye yi wa otimo wo se wa admit say ni nua na wo de ade ne ma no. Amfa kwan pa so ya no ntina yes all road ya shere na Kufuor no but na Kufuor aseda Ghana for the better na se na enya wona better na se Ghana for ada na Kufuor ase na ekopo befa so ehira no waku omoto krata abante na fed Elliot so krata akenkai wada
in fact before so be krata na so tina me bisa say abre ana Mahama di Kufuor atem ne Sam George Samijan fini di na Kufuor atem say woni na busuafo from Ghana Japade nyina family and friends Emma Jo Mahama kan say Kufuor de nuanom ehwie sika ema no na Ibrahim Mahama nim say Kufuor de dama mines ema no and one ma bontia me kan say oh dabi Kufuor nye na busuafo kana mu o ma Mahama busuafo so bi me so magibi wa ma me kan no
assume with that
me say sana na etia adenti na Ibrahim Mahama kana no tumu sa campaign period ni nyina na ene ansa na oba be yia no godon before so be concrete an so no me 2 videos anopay na me mo na fe mi onya kwan akosom yeri kan mo ye be bo me
busua munya we be fast ni me sere ma se mo me video bi na isi a me ra humum kai nipa eye o me ko video ma ni nkomo wate busua stay with me. Yeah, Bushia. And when you focus, let me say, a boy be back if you want to mom. Now, I'm shocked. Well, MPP a party be or my Ibrahim Ghana. Comparing MPP to NDC no. And near my MPP I am Ghana, won't be for NDC to MPP home. But MPP party no, greediness be my own. Like if you support a Soko leaders ne so. Mean you a train yadwa. There's some greediness be MPP more. And no, and of course, your party ne downfall in it. So, wo after all that you've benefited from the party, just a candidate Japan and winning. Into Mumaka Kwatimu party the base. Hey! So does loyalty really existing in humanity? Like everyone, a jaco, who a jaco, and they walk the base, and they want to the base and him. Just say simple and just because of say, candidate Japan and winning. I was just one idea way. I idea when people more. Hey, my miss example being show. You will need to say, a fancy fancy comedy, and maybe Uncle for Cobo, me post here a video, and you are trying to be brave. Political movies. Let me talk about these two people. Several times in my video, I tag you on because you know they have the followers. I'm for sure. And then we are working towards a goal to be able to bring back MPP to come and build Ghana. Abusia, my targets are confirmed several times. Like a criminal being from Mubia and China. Now, the MBA say, Nancy, Minya, if anything, fancy comedy, Minya, the number. Minna chat say, find out Chasso Minya. I don't know where you're no even a me, in a percent people in power because you're Pagana ye. chance me comment me post na me send you man no post am abusu efi won enu ano no up to now guy no respond me message bi wahu ni nyina ne say keso mo no matima ben panyifo nti mo mpese obi beba hobi you see na mo ngo matima dia bibia ba power wahu sa selfish suban no ebi na ja ko mu ye ne ye o ene ebi na nipa nso mo party so mo start am ye no kese mo na ma ben Dr. Baumia mo na ma ben mpanyifo nti kese mo to promo obi mabi mo ngu so yeah we end discourage ye be gu so ya adwumade na ma party ba mo ngu so na mo hu se dem ye na be affect party ni da bi ene ebi na ekoso no ajako wu ene wu di the base ani se wo nya pipi ni biem ajako hey na me be tue ni pa binum ka papa God is going to punish some people mu ye greedy you see if as a party see any side greediness na free mu a sa person mi nkuminya me nkwa minya na ye no ye nya free ma guys abem won you see sometimes a crony the one me akro no menfa adini menfa rag ni tonche me akro nanim na akro ni timi mu abusha a crony the one me akro no me mi anchen adina mo ye na be affect person but you don't know try I normal say ebinum followers see ebinum sort I say because mo bi ma wo mache you said the likes of nipa mabobo mudi no ma bembe mpanyefo ma man fo mo post bi o mo like it me post video and much respect to Chasopoku Presido. This guy haven't met him in person before or US or UK phone say e din komo but what I post me content and it will surprise you kind of friends and likes and comments awonya as compared to mine at the end of the day ni na bua party no na mo moti wonom say who tag ni pa na kra at least oh hwe kra onyu MPP ni sum omu a no atwam na de be ndisi for ba hye en na de we kra no wan kasa party for kra mbuaw tie me maka me sa then discourage me o it's not going to discourage me and I mean konko boost hwe because I mean fake and fa so bi ama e wo sa manfo hu ade no no hu asem na wo ka no mu tie na e sa o ma dwunom kwato ba de man MPP na sa boda moto na mo se mo na ma ben panyimfo enti e bia mo share content panyimfo so be hu a recognize enti mo nya mo ntena ho na sa mo nko mbetimi di party na ba power we live to see you guys should stop those greediness and adi we na party ni me ene hade kan de Japan chita for you true MPP members and almost Canadian winning just anko side Canadian winning no and the base mo ko buta CPP and okra nyina na the base na me betu aboka mo hwe tama na MPP e wo power no ho ana nka mistakes nkitinkiti bi ya kan na campaign 40 ya e bi anka na party ni opposition no bayantie ene ye ne so what I say enti nyese bibi o party na o kan nyese bia ye ba she party no ayade e betima affect party no pesemi nkuminya na too much on some of our members pesemi nkuminya na too much because some of us nyema content aye no ho nyema ye ka ho asem no it can change people's minds and you guys have the clout so what I say now be post ade no atagi unwa onhu na nka won share keke ohun a like kroma obi monkwa na ehu mu monkwa na enimu monkwa so na mbetimi di party so aba power and the mo ya na me hu ni sa mo mpese party be aba power individualistic pesemi nkuminya greediness well o de mungu so be se fanti comedy be sinde or respond me message be just because of some akasa wan share my content what do I benefit and then na minya some of us are on 2-3 jobs yes we find time to do all these things. Na wan kasa unwanum sabotage unwan MPP ni be hu post o Facebook no atwam na da bia ndisi for ba hye e na nkofo kra mfiu e na sei agro so ifra no pa to the moto na munye wicked saa na we na discourage you be gu so aye but ankwanko we say the pen na mu say you guys are the cause of it bye.